Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. And very quick and early update here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So price just pushed down and now testing the previous anchor that was recently broken. Now we have a strong bullish momentum here on net gas. And here on Owanda first, we have got this nice bullish engulfing pattern. So that is one of my buy signal, but due to very shallow pullback, that's going to be very risky entry. If I would have to enter this trade, I would keep my stop loss below 20 EMA and take profit. I would go 1-to-1 initially. But I would like to wait for some more pullback, some nice pullback like this. And if you look here, a bullish candle after that has been formed. With that, that's a good engulfing candle right here, and that nicely pushed up. Similar condition I want to see, we might see a solid pullback. If that happens above 50 EMA, that's even a better signal if we have a solid pullback to 50 EMA. For now, I'm still looking at the price to push high, and a bullish pressure right here and lots of nice bullish candle right here shows a strong bullish candle here on weekly as well, the one I've mentioned in my last video. So keep an eye here. I'm expecting a solid pullback and then continuation, but if there is no pullback, that is again one of my buy signal, and looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push higher. And same goes with NEMEX. Now we have anchor support, which is right here, the previous structure that was broken, pullback, and the price will likely to push up. I've used this previous anchor because of the gap up opening, so that is why we can see a possible retest and a push back up. So either a 50 EMA and engulfing candle will be a better entry, or if we have an engulfing candle above 50 EMA, wherever we get that, we have a solid signal. The price will likely to push up. Again, guys, like I mentioned in my earlier videos, I'll be still looking at this level of trend continuation support on all the platform I've already mentioned in my Mondays and Tuesdays video. Keep an eye on the support, and then we can likely to see a push up if 50 EMA fails, but I'm expecting a good push up if there is an engulfing candle. Now again, the level above I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to mark these levels on your charts. I've already mentioned that. Watch my yesterday's videos and have your zones ready. For now, I'm expecting a solid push up, a nice pattern here, and I want to see a breakout solid for the price to push up. So let's see how this goes. Either a pullback entry, bullish, I'll be looking for my possible entries. And same goes with Capital.com, exactly right here in anchor support. A resistance right up there, I've already mentioned that. Expecting a push up from a, we might see a breakout. A solid candle will confirm the upside move, but expect a retracement. If that happens, a less aggressive entry is always an engulfing pattern to go long. So keep an eye here, expecting a further push higher and continuation towards the upside. Next up, we have gold. What a good and big push out of gold. Now I've already posted an analysis of gold, as you can see, and analysis of silver. I've been posting different analysis, including all the other commodities like soft instruments, soft commodities as well. So if you have not followed me there, make sure you follow me there as well, so that I can keep you guys informed with the other market moves, including Forex as well. Now, look at here, the price is above 50 and 20 EMA, solid close. I've mentioned in my last video that once we have a breakout, we have a solid signal, the price will push high. Now we have a breakout, price is pushing up. Keep looking for your pullbacks and engulfing patterns to go along. If there's the retest of the previous anchor that was broken, a minor anchor, as you can see these numbers in blue, these numbers are mentioned in my Telegram channel as well. If there's retest and engulfing pattern, that's a very solid signal that price will likely to push up. Now there is no more resistance level here, but we do have one level, the previous highs. I'm looking at the market to head to. Now if I'll use the Fibonacci levels, that can be used as well. Very risky since there's a minor area. Right here, 50% retest can happen, and then the price can likely to push up, or 382 retracement can happen and the price will push up. You can also use the lower level in case you are not an aggressive trader, so that we can have a healthy pullback to 50 or 382 retracement or levels before the price will push up. So we'll see how it goes. Less aggressive entries, always a pullback and engulfing patterns to go long. So only buying gold with entry patterns. Next up, we have silver. Silver is testing a previous high and forming a bearish engulfing pattern. Now that is not a very strong level, since that's a previous and all-time high. That's the only level we have here on silver. Looking at that, as you can see, previously price formed a nice engulfing pattern and price nicely pushed down. Here we are getting a bearish engulfing pattern, an evening star pattern kind of, but a valid pattern, the one I teach to my students in the course, an aggressive entry. So either this candle or a double top with bearish engulfers to go short aggressively. That's my sell signal. Again, a very risky signal, since that's not a very strong level. So if that closes a bearish candle on 4-hour time frame, expecting a solid push down. I'll keep my stop loss below, above this pattern, an ATR something, and go 1-to-1 initially, and then manage my trade to 1.2-to-1 or 4-to-1 reward to risk ratios. We'll see if we get a pullback from here or not after the nice successful trade we had here. First entry and second entry right here. If you have seen my previous video, we have been taking some nice badass buy trades here, capturing some good number of pips. Now we are at level here from where we can expect a pullback. If that pullback is enough to cut your profits, then look for a buy signal like engulfing pattern to go long again. So we'll see how that goes and keep an eye on this close of 4-hour candle. Finally, we have crude oil. Crude oil is pushing down, broken below the previous lows, getting a retest, and we might get another fall back to the support, which is right here. These numbers, as you can see, I've just adjusted the zones. 56.16 goes up to 57.33, from where I'll be expecting one more push up. For now, if there's a bearish engulfing pattern here, or after some more pullback below 50 EMA here, I'll be going short. So only looking for bearish signals, either a 382 pin bars, bearish pin bars, or bearish engulfer will be my sell signal to go short till this level. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.